Nsanyufu nnyo. Yeah, okubanga nakomyewo waka wano waka.
Bakuzalira wano.
Yeah, nze nazaalibwa wano.
Guno omulundi gwakumeka?
Nkomyewo emirundi mingi naye for a concert guyinza okuba gwakutaano.
Twasemba okulaba omwaka oguwedde ku lunaku lw'abaagalana.
Yes, comedy store. Yes.
Experience y'olunaku lw'abaagalana olwa last year ne guno omulundi gwokomyewo Erieta.
I feel like guno omulundi gwo gulinza okuba guli special engeri. Of course that one was also special naye nga guno guli special engeri. I feel like of course we grow every day. So I feel like waliwo engendo bawa era ebisingira ddala binaba waluli. Yeah.
The last time you delayed because you were with your wife, maybe you were celebrating Valentine's Day. So kakati olwaleero wakeddemuko.
Nakedde.
Olwokubanga nti omukyala nakawere wakazaala.
Actually, last time saga biteka ku mukyala. Last time was actually the usual flight delays is bulijjo. Naye kati nazenzeka. I would have wished ko naliandize ne madam. Naye nga jali era musanyufu nnyo yampadde blessings. Era kikyagenda bulungi.
Okoze otya okwekuuma abakyala bakwegwanyiza ate ng'oli mwana enfumbo?
Nze engeri gye mbirabamu biri different engeri gye mubirabamu. I feel like fans abakyala batusupportinga, they're not always coming at you mu ngeri gye mubirabamu. They're actually showing love. Kubanga engeri abakyala gye bashowingamu love is very different engeri abasajja gye bashowingamu love. When omukyala supports you, want to show that she supports you, she literally brings it. Ajaye nanaga nakulagira ddala nti akwagala. I think there is something beyond that. I feel like they went to Mbikwata. Like I feel like, and I tell men when a man supports you, when a man wants to appreciate your work, I love what you do. Keep it up. Nenga abachala, they're emotional. They're different. So there's nothing beyond that. Tewali. Bana balungi. I'm very appreciative of them. Yeah.
Bwemugenda mbifo ebisanyukirwamu ne mukyalawo. Omuwana kale fani wo najja nakuwa peke oba nakubako engeri gya kukwatakwata. Mukyalawo kimuyisa kitya?
Mukyala antegeera nnyo anti amanyi. I'm loyal to her. So she understands the type of business I do, the music business I do. And she rolls with it. As long as she understands me, I think when you get this, we all know how female reacts to how when they want to show you any type of gratitude or any type of appreciation. But they're different. They're different from men. And we understand that.
Okay, abayimbi bangi mu entertainment industry babeera n'obuvuyovuyo yalwanye noono yakoze noono yayagadde mukazi woono. Gwe obwo obuvuyo obwekuuma otya obutabubeeramu?
Kati awo ogenda ontezeemu kubanga saagala ababikola era saagala bajajinga. But I feel like it's just a choice. It's a choice. Something you choose. Ogamba nsigenda genda mu buvuyo. Era nze omuntu aleesekerere ng'ayagala just ebintu ebyoku back and forth okulwana. Muleka. Muleka kubanga basaagala kisusa. Bale kisusa era nze ndi muntu w'amaanyi nnyo nyinza okuwoma.
Mu Uganda omanyi muyimbi omu ye Karema?
No, of course not. I'm a huge fan of Ugandan music.
Lwaki olina collabo ku bantu nga 2 or 3? So,
that's a good question. I feel like my voice blends better with the female voice. I did a song with Shiba, being Kolera, and that was a big hit in Rwanda. I hope it was a hit here as well. Neko and Rema, that did great work in Rwanda, and I hope he did the same here. I feel like my voice blends better. There was your chala, and I'm looking forward to work with even male artists. Yeah.
Okay. Bayimbi ki abalala bomanyi abali upcoming abakajja mu Uganda kubanga ffe Rwanda tubamanyi bangi.
Nange bamanyi nnyo. Like I said, I'm a big fan of Ugandan music. I know Ray J. I know Joshua Baraka. Um,
Korea Boogie.
I know. Ani? Laika. I know Laika. Actually, I know Laika. You know, I love that song. You know, I really follow Ugandan music, and of course, I'm a huge fan of the legends, the Chameleons, Baby Cool, Bobby Wine. I love King Star. Ma inzo bo get on list in
Okimanyi tulina alien skin fik fameka tulina
I love Fik. I love Fik. I love Fik. I love bamwita mulala arapinganga Fik. Fefe Busi. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Fefe Busi.
Wamutandikira wano wamutandikira lwaki?
Natandikira mukwaya nga ndi muto nnyo wanera in Uganda. Yeah. It was was an adult. Yeah. But you love me.
Okay,
This morning, is it morning, is it afternoon? I just woke up. But I'm very delighted to be speaking to whoever is watching. And just want to let you know that we carry so much love to you guys. We wish you could really see in my heart and see how much I appreciate the amount of love we get from Uganda anytime we come here. This is probably my fifth or sixth time I'm performing in Uganda. But every time I come here, it's always love. It's always the energy is right, the connection is perfect. I just want to say the amount of gratitude I have towards you it's huge. I can't even express it right now. But for tomorrow, expect nothing but the best. Performance of full live. We're doing full live. I'm very happy that I came with my young brothers. These are my young brothers, but these are superstars. You know, they are literally superstars. I think they've been here a couple of times. I'm sure you guys know what they can bring on the table. So I really look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And I always say that Rwanda, Uganda should always be we should turn into a one country. I feel like, it should be one country. I feel like we love each other, we support each other. When Ugandans come to, I think this weekend, community is in Uganda, is going to be in Rwanda, if I'm not mistaken. And you will definitely see the amount of love you receive in Rwanda, because we love Ugandan music. You guys appreciate our music. It's a beautiful thing to see. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Thank you. That question. I should be the one that asks you that question. But what is that special thing that when you see me, that makes you, feel like Ben is that cool of a guy? I just feel like, if I want to be honest with you, I'm very outgoing. I feel like I'm a humble person. I don't try to be humble. I'm just humble, I believe. I think I have a lot of love. I have a lot of love for people, and I don't know. I don't know if that's special, but I feel like it's one of the things that I have naturally, like it's literally me. You know what I mean? So yeah. I think I was a good question.
Secondly, how have you overcome this social media bullying? Because we've seen like this is friends attack the artists through social media.
My wife is in Europe right now. We actually just had a baby. We had a 3-month baby, so congratulations to us. And your second question is very, very important. He just asked, for those who didn't hear the question, he's asked, how do we, as artists or celebrity, how do we deal with, people who bully us online and stuff like that? I feel like, if I'm to be honest with you, you just have to learn how to do what you're supposed to be doing. You know, look over it, focus on, you know, the horizon, and just don't look back. You know, any people, and to be honest with you, those who can come and bully you, they're actually not so many people. If you put it on a scale, they will not weigh more than the people that love you. You know, people that love you will always weigh more than the people, you know, one or two people that want to bully you. You know what I mean? So, you know, for my fellow artists out there, just focus on the horizon. You know, keep your eyes on the horizon, and you know, just stay positive. You know, focus on the positive things. You know, whoever they want to bring some negative stuff, just ignore them. Yeah. I think your question was. Abantu beka mocha, abantu. But let me leka njogere ku bantu bonna bali Kampala, leka mbagambe nti nze ndi mwana wammwe, ate guno mulundi gwa kuna oba gwa kutandikira. Every time I come here, mujja ne showing a love. You guys are amazing. Era ne kati tubeetaaga, you know, twagala balaba, mujje tuchakale, you know, tuzine. I'm bringing you the best album. I'm bringing you the best artist. Mikwano gyange baganda bange, and you know, mujje tuwaye show. Simanyi bagezezza. I think I mentioned it last night at the airport. If I'm to mention names, I met like Chameleon. Chameleon literally led the entire East African music for some time. And then you got to actually talk. You know, he's a man that I really respect. Rest in peace, Radio. One of the most amazing superstar I've ever come across. I've been a fan of Ugandan music for such a long time. And if I'm to mention, you know, one of the, or maybe a few of the latest superstars Ugandans have right now, such as Joshua Baraka. I'm a big fan of Joshua Baraka. I think we met in Zanzibar at the Trace Awards, but we never spoke. But I'm a huge fan. Obviously, Eddie Kenzo, Kwano Gwange, I love his music. Pallaso, King Saha, huge fan of King Saha myself. I don't want to miss anyone right now, but Rema Namakula, obviously that's my sister. Rema Namakula, beautiful voice, wonderful artist. Even Winnie Nwanji, I'm a huge fan of Winnie. Lydia, I'm a huge fan of Lydia. Listen, I can really name a lot of names right now. Huh? King Puzzle. So listen, the truth is I'm a huge fan. I'm just, you know, letting you know that I'm a huge fan of Ugandan music. And I'm looking forward to work with whoever that is ready. Crystal Panda, actually, that's my dude as well. Great talent. And yeah. The idea wasn't to actually do one song with all of them. It was to do each with everyone. Yeah. Not like one single song with all of them at once. And the idea was to actually work with Joshua, and then work with Christo, and then work each and every, and Reggie as well.